To Freising, a remarkable town nestled in the heart of Bavaria, Germany. It's a place where ancient history breathes alongside vibrant modernity, where sacred spires reach for the sky from venerable hills, and where the world's oldest continuous brewing tradition is alive and well. Freising isn't just a dot on the map, it's the very cradle of Bavarian history, older than Munich itself, offering a journey through a tapestry of ecclesiastical power, academic excellence, and convivial Bavarian charm. As you arrive, a palpable sense of layered history enfolds you, a quiet dignity that comes from centuries of influence. The crisp Bavarian air carries whispers of monks, bishops, and scholars, inviting you to discover a city that seamlessly blends its profound past with a lively, welcoming present. Join us as we explore the twin peaks of its heritage and the charming life that flows between them. Our journey begins, perhaps unexpectedly, on the venerable Weihenstephan Hill, or Weihenstephaner Berg. This verdant ascent is more than just a rise of land. It is a legendary landmark, internationally renowned as the home of the Weihenstephan Brewery, famously recognized as the oldest continuously operating brewery in the entire world. Its history is a testament to perseverance and passion, a story liquid gold. The brewing tradition here dates back to at least 1040 AD, a year etched into brewing legend, when the Benedictine monks of the Weihenstephan Monastery received a brewing license from the Bishop of Freising. For nearly a millennium, brewing has continued uninterrupted on this very spot. The monks tirelessly perfected their craft, laying the foundational principles of Bavarian brewing that are still revered today. They honed the techniques for brewing authentic Weissbier, wheat beer, which remains a signature of Weihenstephan. This isn't merely a place where beer is made, it's where brewing history was forged, where generations of master brewers have dedicated their lives to creating liquid perfection. A visit here is an immersive sensory experience. The rich, malty aroma of brewing fills the air, mingling with the crisp Bavarian breeze. The Weihenstephan Brewery offers fascinating guided tours, allowing visitors to delve deep into the art and science of brewing. You'll witness the intricate processes, from the malting of barley to the fermentation in massive copper vats, all while learning about the German purity law, Rechtliche Gebiete, of 1516, which Weihenstephan adheres to religiously. The tour culminates, as it should, in a tasting session where you can savor their exquisite range of beers: the refreshing Weissbier, the crisp lager, the dark and complex Dunkel, and seasonal specialties. Each sip connects you to centuries of unparalleled brewing expertise, a taste of living history that is truly unique to Freising. Beyond its famed brewery, Weihenstephan Hill is also a vital center for cutting-edge education and research. It is home to the Technical University of Munich, TUM School of Life Sciences, a globally recognized institution that seamlessly blends tradition with innovation. This prestigious university campus pulsates with intellectual vibrancy, attracting brilliant minds and aspiring scholars from every corner of the globe. Here, students and researchers delve into fields ranging from brewing science and food technology to agriculture, biotechnology, and landscape architecture. The presence of TUM imbues Weihenstephan with a dynamic, forward-thinking energy, creating a unique synergy between ancient monastic wisdom and modern scientific inquiry. It highlights Freising's enduring role as a hub of knowledge and discovery, a place where the past informs the future. The campus environment is often lively, filled with international students contributing to a diverse and cosmopolitan atmosphere. This academic prowess firmly establishes Freising not just as a historical gem, but also as a significant contributor to scientific advancement and higher education in Germany. Complementing the academic and brewing prowess, Weihenstephan Hill is also celebrated for its exquisite Weihenstephan Gardens. These aren't just ordinary green spaces, they are renowned horticultural masterpieces, serving as living laboratories for students and serene retreats for visitors. The gardens showcase a diverse range of botanical beauty, meticulously curated and maintained. You can wander through themed sections, including an extensive perennial garden, an alpine garden, a rose garden, and various experimental planting areas. Each garden offers a unique sensory experience, from the vibrant colors of blooming flowers to the delicate fragrances that waft on the breeze. They provide a tranquil contrast to the bustling brewery and academic buildings, inviting quiet contemplation and appreciation of nature's artistry. These gardens are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also play a crucial role in botanical research and education, reflecting TUM's commitment to ecological studies. They offer a beautiful, calming space to unwind and enjoy the natural splendor that graces this historic hill. From the summit of Weihenstephan Hill, an expansive, breathtaking, panoramic view unfolds before your eyes. Gaze across the charming, red-tiled roofs of Freising town, watch the winding course of the tranquil Isar River, and behold the seemingly endless expanse of the picturesque Bavarian landscape stretching out towards the horizon. On clear days, the distant Alps can even be glimpsed, a majestic silhouette against the sky. This vantage point offers a unique perspective on the town's layout, allowing you to appreciate its charming blend of urban development and surrounding nature, and to mentally trace the historical routes that once led to this ancient settlement. It's a view that encapsulates the very essence of Freising and its idyllic Bavarian setting. Ascending the other prominent hill in Freising, the majestic Domberg, or Cathedral Hill, immediately transports you into the profound spiritual and political heart of the old Prince Bishopric. This elevated precinct, once the seat of immense ecclesiastical power, remains a compelling testament to centuries of faith, art, and influence. Dominating the skyline from almost every approach, the magnificent Freising Cathedral of St. Mary and St. Corbinian stands as a towering beacon of architectural grandeur and historical significance. Freising also maintains a vibrant culture and art scene, celebrating both its deep-seated traditions and contemporary expressions. Throughout the year, the town comes alive with numerous local festivals that offer a delightful glimpse into authentic Bavarian customs. Traditional Bavarian folk festivals, Volksfest, bring music, dancing, and of course, plenty of local beer and hearty food, celebrating community spirit. The Freising Christmas market transforms Marienplatz into a festive wonderland, with charming stalls offering handcrafted gifts, festive treats, and the warming aroma of mulled wine, attracting visitors from far and wide. The town supports a lively music scene, with classical concerts often held in the magnificent cathedral, chamber music performances in historic venues, and live music in various pubs and cafes. Local theaters showcase both traditional Bavarian plays and contemporary performances. Numerous smaller art galleries feature the works of regional artists, adding to the town's creative pulse. Traditional Bavarian customs, such as Trachten, traditional attire like Dirndl and Lederhosen, are still worn with pride during festive occasions, and local parades showcase historical costumes and folk dances. This blend of historic preservation and active cultural life makes Freising a dynamic and engaging place to experience authentic Bavarian traditions. Beyond its urban charm, Freising is blessed with abundant green spaces and recreational opportunities that invite residents and visitors alike to enjoy the natural beauty of the Bavarian landscape. The meandering Isar River is a central feature, with its banks transformed into welcoming areas for leisure. Extensive walking and cycling paths stretch along the river, offering serene routes for leisurely strolls, invigorating jogs, or extended bike rides through picturesque scenery. These paths provide peaceful escapes from the town's gentle bustle, perfect for connecting with nature. Within the town itself, several well-maintained local parks offer tranquil spots for relaxation, picnics, or simply enjoying the sunshine. The Schlossberg Freising, Castle Park, while modest, offers pleasant walks near the Domberg. The proximity to the wider Bavarian countryside also means that larger forests and rolling hills are easily accessible for hiking, offering more challenging trails and rewarding panoramic views. In essence, Freising provides a perfect balance, combining its rich urban history with easy access to beautiful natural surroundings, ensuring a high quality of life and diverse recreational possibilities for all. Freising stands as a compelling example of a town that successfully blends its profound history with the dynamics of modern life. While its centuries-old architecture and traditions are meticulously preserved, Freising is far from a mere open-air museum. It is a vibrant, thriving, and welcoming community that looks confidently to the future. Its close connection to Munich, just a short train ride away, provides residents with access to a major metropolitan center, while allowing them to enjoy the more relaxed pace and higher quality of life that a smaller historic town offers. Furthermore, Freising's proximity to Munich Airport, one of Europe's busiest and most efficient, ensures excellent international connectivity, making it easily accessible for visitors from around the globe and a convenient base for exploring Bavaria. This strategic location has also brought new economic opportunities, attracting businesses and fostering innovation, particularly in areas related to its academic strengths. Freising beautifully embodies a lifestyle where historical charm meets contemporary convenience, offering a unique blend of Bavarian authenticity and forward-thinking vitality. In conclusion, Freising is a town that truly invites you to explore its manifold layers, revealing a unique charm that resonates long after your visit. It is a place where every corner tells a story, the spiritual gravitas of Domberg and its magnificent cathedral, echoing centuries of ecclesiastical power, the unparalleled brewing heritage of Weihenstephan Hill, offering the taste of the world's oldest beer tradition, and the inviting embrace of its old town, where Bavarian Gemütlichkeit thrives amidst historic beauty. It's a town that educates with its profound history, delights with its culinary and brewing excellence, and rejuvenates with its natural beauty along the Isar. Freising seamlessly weaves together its deep historical roots, its academic prowess, its cultural vibrancy, and its genuine Bavarian hospitality into an unforgettable experience. It's a testament to resilience, tradition, and a forward-looking spirit. Freising is not just a destination. It's an immersion into the very soul of Bavaria, offering a welcoming embrace and leaving you with cherished memories of its unique blend of past and present. Come, discover the timeless allure of Freising, a place where history is savored and every visit feels like coming home.